Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we're going to do you a breakfast casserole that is super simple and keto friendly. We're going to start off with a pound of your favorite pork sausage. This is homemade and it's a little spicy. So we're going to brown this real good and we're going to drain off any excess grease, and then we're going to go ahead and add some mushrooms and onions to it. Okay, so to our sausage we're going to add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, and if you're not a mushroom person, you can certainly always take it out. And then we're going to add a half a sweet onion. We're going to cook this until the onions and mushrooms tenderize a little bit. The rest of this gets brown, and we'll show you the next step. So we have gotten our sausage and our onions and mushrooms tenderized. We're going to put into this 2 cups of fresh spinach. If you want to chop this up, you can. We're just going to put this over top, let it wilt down. It's also a great way to get your kids to eat some vegetables. Hide them. So now to this bowl, we're going to crack 8 eggs. Nobody said this wasn't going to be expensive. We usually double this recipe when we're at BBQ Comp, make a whole half pan of it. So we're going to try to keep the eggshells out of there. So we're going to give these a quick whisk. Break those yolks up. So to our eggs we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, pepper, salt, and dried parsley. So half a teaspoon of each. Give it a good mixy mix. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So we're going in with a half a cup, and this is a blend of 3 cheddar cheeses. I'll put them in. Give this all a mix. I'm going to add just a little bit of this complete seasoning. It's like an all-purpose seasoning. We're just going to come over the top with it. A little sprinkle. We're also going to add a couple shots of this Killer Hogs hot sauce. It's good stuff, not real hot. Just add a little pop to it. Mix it up real good. We're going to go ahead and stir up our meat and spinach here, and we'll show you how we finish this thing. Okay, so our spinach is wilted. I'm going to cut the heat off of this. We're just going to let this cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then basically it becomes a dump recipe. We'll show you how we put it together. Okay, so we're going to just coat a 11x7 casserole dish here with a little bit of cooking spray. Just make sure we get it good in the corners. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this meat mixture right in here to cool. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there. Just spread it out there. We'll show you the next step when this cools. Okay, so our sausage and spinach, mushrooms, and onions have cooled. We got our eggs here. We're just going to give them another mix. We're going to pour these right over top. Make sure you get all that out of there. And then we're just going to come and mix this up a little bit and get those eggs completely down through all of the meat and the spinach. So you don't want to mix it up or anything like that, just kind of poke it down. Today we're running our oven at 400 degrees. We're going to cook this for 30 to 40 minutes until our eggs are set up And the cheese that we're going to put on top right now is brown. So this is just some more of that triple cheddar. Sprinkle some of this on top. We're going to go ahead and get this guy in the oven. Okay, so we are at 30 minutes here on our breakfast casserole. We're going to pull this out. Oh man, look how good that looks, y'all. This thing's going to be amazing. And we are definitely going to have to let this cool a little bit. But you can see it is gorgeous. We're going to take this over here, make a little noise, put this over here and let it cool. Okay, so we have let this breakfast casserole cool. We're just going to go ahead and cut it here. And I just got a little paring knife. I'm going to go down through. We're going to try to get in there without breaking it apart too much. Just like that. So you can see all the layers of goodness in there. The egg, the cheese, the sausage, that fresh spinach, mushrooms. This is great. You make ahead, take it camping, tailgating, any day of the week. We're gonna give it a try. Tastes just like it did last week. That is unbelievable. Great flavors. Again, high in protein, high in fat. Give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some of that breakfast casserole. I think mine's better. Want to try it? Hold on a second, let me make sure.